Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am decorating my July monthly. I'm a little behind, but I was working on the stickers for Patreon. These are the exclusive stickers that are on my Patreon this month. My sister, she drew up all this. I just come up with the ideas and then she draws everything. She's amazing. If you're not already, she does have a YouTube channel, so definitely subscribe to her channel. She journals over there. She's got a really cute aesthetic, and yeah, just support her over there, please. I'd appreciate it. But yeah, she drew up all of these. I wanted like the silhouette kind of beach theme stuff, and she did like a really pretty background, and I just love how they turned out. And then I kind of put them all together and made them into sticker sheets. So I have, this is the first sheet. I have some quotes, and then I have just the silhouettes on this one, and then here's some more right here. Cute little dolphins. But yeah, I'm gonna use these to decorate this page. If you're interested in getting these, they are available on my Patreon this month. If you join the big tier and up, you will receive a physical copy and also a digital download of these. But if you just join the lowest tier, I do have like a little sampler download of one of these little images. I think it's a different image though. Just a little sampler if you're interested in joining. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna use these. They're like pre-made scenes, which I love. And then also I have one of Jojo's books. I have pastel boxes, and I'll probably pull in some other stuff, but for now at least this is kind of what I'm going with. You know what, let me take these sticky notes off. I'm just gonna put them to the side over here and reference them as I go. Not much going on. I mean, I do have like busy weekends and stuff, but yeah. Actually, each weekend I have something going on. So wait, there is a lot going on. Never mind. But yeah, I'm going to use these. Let's see, how do I want to use these? I'm definitely going to use these in like a classic spread because I think these will look really cool on a classic spread. But I like to also use these on the monthly just to start off, to test them out and see how I like them, how they're working. So I think I'm going to grab, we'll do this little scene here. Like, look how pretty it is. It came out so good. And I'm just gonna slap it here, and they're so pretty. So pretty. And this one says, "It's a good day to have a good day." I'll just put a quote. I like little simple quotes like that, so that totally works there. The tricky part is gonna be like getting them inside the spread, because yeah, that's gonna be the fun part. With all these boxes and stuff, but I'm gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Since I don't have as much going on, especially during the middle of the week, I have room to kind of spare. Oh, like these little ones too. Actually, let me put the boxes down first. So we have, I'm gonna use these because I really like this orange, even this like pinkish red color is good. So I'll just use these colors. Oops, just dropped my sheet. Okay. So yeah, the oranges are really pretty. So I'm going to use some of these boxes. And I'm going to put here, I don't have work on this day. And I want to find, if I have a bigger box. Which, oh no, I don't have a bigger box. Okay, hold on, I should have, oh no, here they are. Well, I don't have them in orange, so I will have to make do with what I have. Okay, that one, these, okay. All right, so I will make this work. So I'll do this like reddish one for Independence Day, for 4th of July. Actually, I'm gonna write in the boxes too, because why not? So here's 4th of July, 4th of July. This one is no work. Oh, I need to put one on the 6th. Okay, maybe I'll do this one. Maybe I should get, yeah, I think it's fine. I'm going out of town, so I'm going to okay, so that's no work there. And then I have the weekend. Actually, I'm gonna put 4th of July. Yeah, I'll just put 4th of July. I'm actually going out of town, but that's fine. I don't really need to write it in. Okay, so that's 4th, no work. My brother-in-law's birthday is on the 10th, so I'm gonna put a box there for his birthday. We'll do this one. Birthday. Okay, and then, oh, I also have like a little workshop thing going on this day. So I'm gonna put workshop. These are Patreon stuff for that. Okay, and then I have one on the 17th, so I'll put the 17th here. This one is a game night. And then the 24th, a live plan with me. Oops. And then the 31st is just a call, group call. All right, perfect. So that takes care of these. And then I'm gonna put one for the, oh, wait, the 13th and the 20th. I'm actually going to, everything's on this side of the page, that's funny. I'm going to Disney on the 20th, Disney Day. Well, actually, we're going at night, but Disney, I'm gonna put Disney Day. Disney Day. And then I'm gonna put one for the 13th because we're going to, I kind of don't want to put where I'm going, but I'm gonna put Johnny's birthday celebration. Okay. Okay. Cool. All right, so that is mainly everything I need when it comes to plan wise. But I do want to put like a couple more little boxes down. Let me find the sheets. Okay. Just for some like bill stuff. Okay, so I have the first is rent due. Just some bills that I like to keep track of on here. I have one, I'm gonna use this color, the 14th, and the 11th. Oops. Actually, no, it's this one. Okay, Cox due. And then this one is Verizon. And the last one, I just do like my really big ones. Magic key. All right, so that's everything that I wanted to write on, like in my monthly. If something else comes up and I want to put it on my monthly, I could always just like put a box down. That's why I like writing everything in a box, because that's just, yeah, it just makes it easier. And then I could just like stick a box. If I end up putting something like a decorative sticker on the page, I can at least like stick a box over it. So now I could just have fun and put the decor down. All right, oh, actually, sorry, one more box. I need hopefully a long box. I have one. Okay, I have this one, so I'll just use this one. All right, so do I put it here? I really want to put this down. So maybe I'll put it here. Oops. And then I can put this here. That's pretty. Okay, and then I have, let me add a couple more of these. Okay, so I have this small one is nice because it's small and I can fit it here. And if something comes up again, I'll just put a box over it, so that works there. And then, okay, so so these are the two I have left. So I could put this one down. And I like them because they like kind of remind me of like a postcard in a way. Or not a postcard or like a stamp kind of thing. They're pretty. And then I was thinking of just adding like maybe some of these on their own. Like maybe a palm tree. Oh, you know what? I need to cover this up. I like the little sandcastle. It's cute. Okay, that works there. And then I can do, I like the surfboards too. I'll do these surfboards. Although I kind of want, I'll do it here. I want to add some washi, I think, to the spread too. So, yeah, let me grab some washi. Oh, and then I have these other quotes. This one says, "Life is better at the beach. My nephew would totally agree to this because he loves the beach." Okay, so let me grab some washi. So I feel like I need blue on the page, so I have this blue like washi. It's not like perfect match, but I think it might work. We'll see. I mean, it's washi, so if it doesn't work, I can always, take it off the page. All right, so let me add a little here. And I think I want to move this quote just so I can, actually no, you know what, I'll put it above the quote, it's fine. Okay, so we have a little bit there, and then let's kind of put a little bit over here too. Okay, tricky part is over here, where to put it. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Oops. Okay, and then maybe a little bit like here. I think that works. It helps to tie in the blue from the stickers. All right, and then it gives me another place to put something here. So, you know what? I think I want to move. Do I want to move this? No, I don't want to move it. I think I want, I want another palm tree. Okay, let's do, let me grab the sheet. Let's do another palm tree. One here. I might have to move my magic key sticker. Okay. So Just move it up a bit. Okay, that works there. And then maybe I can add I want to add a chair. And this little like pelican guy. It's cute. My sister drew a little pelican flying. And I made them very like intricate, like the cuts, because I figured if they layer, if they want to like get a background, because you can find some really pretty like background like scrapbook paper, and then you can just layer them on top. Like I think that would be a cool look too. I might do that in when I do another video for this, but yeah. So I wanted them to be like pretty intricate, so it's not like so much white, but you know, yeah. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna add that. All right. Honestly, I think that looks pretty good. Yeah. I mean, I could add the umbrella. Oops, I grabbed from the wrong sheet. I always do that. Okay, I meant to grab from like the same sheet. Yeah, they're super delicate. So if you get these stickers, just be careful. Let me move the pelican over here. Okay, so I like the scenes where it's like silhouette scenes, and then I have some with the really pretty background. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, and then maybe just one more quote. We have, "Let the sea set you free." Yeah, we'll do this one over here. Okay, I think I might, let's see. All right, so I apologize if I have like a weird edit, but something like was going on with my camera and my lighting, and it was like flashing, so I'm cutting that all out. I don't think it cut out anything that I really did. It was just me more talking through my process, but basically just realizing I think I'm good with how this is, but I don't know what was going on with my lights. That is not good because I've been changing up my lighting and filming setup, and I've never had that happen. So yeah, I'm gonna stop this here because I think that was my cue to like be like, okay, this is done. But this is gonna be my spread for my monthly for July. Again, if you're interested in getting these stickers that my sister created, definitely check out my Patreon. Also check out her YouTube channel where she journals and does lots of cute stuff over there. But yeah, love how this turned out. So pretty, so fun, so summery. I love the beach, so you know, love a good beach scene. But I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.